Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to restore theme back to the default one. So as can you see right now, we got the just applied theme from the internet. So as can you see that, I'll show you. And now just to go back to your default theme, you should go to the settings application, tap here to the themes section, and as can you see here, we got the my themes tab there, and you can change this dream theme to the Poco one. That's regular, just default Poco theme. Just here tap to apply, and we got here the message that the theme applied successfully. And as can you see, our just applications, icons, and all in our menu I'll just change to the default theme. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel.